In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the sine function in Microsoft Excel 2010, and this would also work in Google Sheets Online. So here we have a right triangle, and a sine of an angle is the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse side of that triangle. So if the angle's right here, in this bottom right corner, if we found the sine of that angle, it would tell us the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse side. So here's the opposite side of that angle and the hypotenuse. So the first thing we have to do is make sure our angles are in radians for this function. So here I wrote some angles out in degrees, so we have to convert those to radians, which is really simple. All we do is press equals, select that angle, and multiply it by pi divided by 180. And this is the syntax for pi in Microsoft Excel, pi parentheses. So now we've converted that to we've converted that angle to radians, so we can just drag down. Move on to the sine function itself. Just type in equals sine. Very simple function. And then you can just select the angle in radians and press enter. And there you have it. I'll show you one more time. Sine. Select the angle in radians. And there you have it. And we can just drag this down here. Finish it up. So now we have all of our angles. Now we have all the sines of all of our angles in radians. So in real life, this will be useful in many engineering related careers, such as mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, biomedical engineering, and even more, because there's angles everywhere and there are many problems, especially in mechanical engineering. So if I just use this example, let's say that we're designing a billboard and we have some sort of support beam. So let's say that this is the billboard, this is the ground, and this is a support beam or wire that's holding up the billboard. Engineers want to find everything. They'd want to find all the angles, all the lengths of the sides, and there's several equations in trigonometry that would enable you to find the sides and the angles using different trigonometry functions. So that would be really useful for this situation. And also, if you have to find the sine of many angles, you can easily just do that. You convert it to radians, really easy in Microsoft Excel, probably even easier than a calculator. And then also you can use the drag down, like I showed you earlier, just to find them all really quick. It'd be much easier than typing them into a calculator. So that's how you use the sine function, and I hope that helped you. Thank you.